Namaste. How are all of you? And welcome to the series called All About Weight Loss. Today we are on part 1. And the reason why we chose the title of the series as All About Weight Loss, because weight loss is seriously on top of our minds. When 2021 struck on 1st Jan 2021, most of us decided to get fitter than ever. 2021 was going to be the year where we get fit, when we get healthy, when we get and lose weight. लेकिन हाफ ईयर के बाद में क्या हुआ है? So we are in June. 6 months of 2021 are over. 6 months still remain. Are we closing into our ambition, to our resolution of losing weight, gaining health, staying in good shape, or have we gone completely off track? There's a good chance that a whole lot of us go completely off track, and that's exactly why we have this series called All About Weight Loss. The reason why we go off track is because we do not pursue it correctly. In this series, I'm going to be sharing quite a few of my trade secrets so that you know exactly how to lose weight without having to spend too much money. You can do this at home using nothing else other than just your home cooked food and some education. अभी होम कुक्ड फूड मैं आपको खिला नहीं सकती हूँ, उसके बारे में आपको मैं सिर्फ बता सकती हूँ, लेकिन एजुकेशन मैं आप तक पहुँचा सकती हूँ. So this is series 1. Welcome. First of all, if we have to lose body weight, we have to know what is body weight all about. तो body weight जो है वो 2 parts में largely distribute होता है. One is called as fat weight, मतलब अपने चर्बी का वजन, and the other one is called as lean body weight, मतलब अपने बोन, मसल, टेंडन्स, ऑर्गन्स, बाल, नेल्स, फैट छोड़ के या चर्बी छोड़ के बाकी सब का वजन. Now what happens is that as we start aging, we begin to carry more of fat weight and we begin to carry less of lean body weight. When we adopt diets which give us quick weight loss, we further enhance this aging process. जब हम कीटो करते हैं, जब हम फास्टिंग करते हैं, जब हम हमारे डाइट से फैट निकाल देते हैं, जब हम कुत्ते की तरह एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, जब हम कुछ भी नहीं खाते हैं, जब हम रात को सिर्फ सूप सैलड पीते हैं, जब हम जब हम पे वेट लॉस का भूत सवार हो जाता है, जब हमको शादी करनी है और बहुत पतला लगना है, जब हमको हमारे कजन के शादी में ये वाला ड्रेस पहनना है या न्यू ईयर के लिए वो वाला ड्रेस पहनना है, तभी हम लोग जितने भी मेथड्स अडॉप्ट करते हैं वो सब में हमारा फैट वेट और बढ़ जाता है और हमारा लीन बॉडी वेट और भी घटता है. नतीजा, we look older than ever, we look weaker than ever, and we look fatter than ever. So this is what happens typically. Now what happens when you begin to lose weight correctly? जब आप correct approach लेते हो, now what really is the correct way to lose weight? तो correct way to lose weight is basically sustainable way to lose weight. Sustainable का मतलब क्या है? Sustainable का मतलब ये है कि वो आप आपके लाइफ में आराम से जो भी आपने डाइट आज अडॉप्ट किया है या जो भी आपने आज एक्सरसाइज रेजिमेंट अडॉप्ट की है टू लूज वेट, वो आप आराम से बिना किसी प्रॉब्लम के कम से कम आपके लाइफ के अगले 5 साल तक कर पाओगे. और जो भी चीज आप आपके लाइफ में आराम से अगले 5 साल तक कर पाओगे वो आप आपके लाइफ में आराम से अगले 50 साल तक कर पाओगे, ताकि नॉट जस्ट योर लाइफ फ्रॉम 2021 up to 2026, but let's say from 2021 until 2071 you can stay fit, you can stay healthy, you can stay in excellent shape and not have any kind of infectious diseases, whether it is stuff like COVID and its variants, or non-infectious diseases like diabetes, heart disease, mental health issues, cancer, obesity, fatty liver diseases and stuff like that touch you. तो अपने को क्या करने का है? That we need to adopt a method जो अपने को सिर्फ आज नहीं और अगले 2 महीना नहीं, but at least for the next 5 years and eventually for the next 50 years you are able to follow. Now if you because you know, when weight loss is sustainable, then weight loss is successful. सक्सेसफुल का मतलब क्या है? सक्सेसफुल का मतलब ये है कि जो वेट उतरा वो कभी भी वापस नहीं चढ़ा. Most of us go through unsuccessful weight loss methods. What is the meaning of unsuccessful weight loss methods? ये वजन तो उतरा लेकिन दोबारा चढ़ा, और जब चढ़ा तो डबल चढ़ा, और जब चढ़ा तो उसके साथ बीमारियां भी आई. It can be about hair loss, it can be loss of digestion, it can be sleeplessness, it could be period cycles out of wreck, but where both weight loss and the gain after it got you all of those diseases. Successful weight loss means that when you lose weight in a sustainable manner, because you're adopting things that you can do at least for the next 5 years, then the weight that you lose never comes back. And then because the weight that you have lost never comes back, in this whole journey of loss of weight, you begin to have better periods, you begin to have better hair and skin, you begin to have better digestion, lesser sugar cravings, less constipation, less bloating. You also begin to have better lean mass. मतलब क्या है कि आपका lean body weight बढ़ता है और आपका fat weight कम होता है. अभी ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जब आप सस्टेनेबल मेथड्स यूज़ करते हो जो कि सक्सेसफुल रहती है, तभी आपका लीन बॉडी वेट बढ़ता है. मतलब बोन का वजन, मसल का वजन, इवन बाल एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो बोन और मसल का वजन बढ़ता है और सिर्फ फैट का वजन घटता है. अभी जब लीन बॉडी वेट these together makes for body weight. Abhi if you adopt methods that increase lean body weight and that decrease fat weight, तो long term में आपका weight loss तो हो जाएगा, बट शॉर्ट टर्म में आपका बॉडी वेट चेंज होएगा क्या? नहीं होएगा, बिकॉज लीन बॉडी वेट बढ़ेगा, फैट वेट कम होएगा. Now when lean body weight goes up and when fat weight comes down, you look smaller in size, you fit in smaller clothes, you look younger, you look leaner, you look prettier, you look happier, your skin glows, your hair flows, your periods come smoothly, you're digesting food well, your blood sugars are regulating properly, your triglycerides are under check, your blood pressure is under check, you sleep well, you don't snore, your fertility levels are high. All of those things are happening, but you will not see an immediate difference in your body weight, which is exactly why in my professional journey of over 20 years, the one thing that we have never used is a weighing scale. Why don't we use weighing scale? Because if we use weighing scale, then we lose track of how our clients are progressing on increasing their lean body weight and on decreasing their fat weight. तो हम लोग उनका वजन करते ही नहीं है और उनको भी यही बोलते हैं कि आप आपके घर पे वजन का कांटा मत रखो. Now the minute you have a weighing scale at home, you get constantly tempted to stand on it, and once you are standing on it, you keep getting a number, okay, and then that number begins to bother you. पर आप ये ध्यान में रखिए that this number is telling you nothing. It really tells you nothing. Body weight is not a measure of fatness and it is surely not a measure of fitness. ये आप repeat करते रहिए आपके life में मंत्र के तरह, that body weight is not a measure of fatness. It is surely not a measure of fitness. तो फिर आपको क्या measure करना चाहिए? What do I really mean by अगर lean body weight बढ़ेगा तो size कम होएगा और fitness improve होएगा? So these are things that you should then measure. To do a quick recap of all the points that I have already told you is that body weight का that weight loss should be sustainable. Sustainable मतलब at least 5 साल तक आज आप जो भी अडॉप्ट कर रहे हो, आपका डाइट और आपका एक्सरसाइज, वो आपको आराम से करने को आना चाहिए. If you are on a diet and exercise regime जो आप आराम से अगले 5 साल तक नहीं कर पाओगे, तो it is the fault of the diet and exercise that you are on, and it is not the shortage of your willpower, and it is not the shortage of your motivation. You have been misguided, all right, which is why we are trying to guide you with the right education about all about weight loss. तो weight loss जो है वो अगले 5 साल तक होना चाहिए. weight loss का नंबर जो है वो यूजलेस है, वो आपको कुछ भी नहीं बताता, ना आपके फैटनेस के बारे में और ना ही आपके फिटनेस के बारे में. बॉडी वेट जो है ये दो चीजों से आता है, लीन बॉडी वेट एंड फैट वेट. उम्र के साथ फैट वेट बढ़ता है, लीन बॉडी वेट घटता है. अगर आपने सस्टेनेबल वेट लॉस मेथड्स अडॉप्ट किए तो आपका लीन बॉडी वेट बढ़ेगा और फैट वेट कम होएगा. इसका मतलब क्या है कि उम्र के साथ जो डायबिटीज, ट्राइग्लिसराइड, फैटी लिवर वगैरह, ब्लड प्रेशर, ओबेसिटी, ये सब के जो चांसेस बढ़ते हैं, ये अगर आप सस्टेनेबल मेथड्स अडॉप्ट करो तो वो घटेंगे. मतलब थ्रू दी सीरीज ओवर द नेक्स्ट 1 week what you will learn will help you keep your blood sugars regulated, your blood pressure regulated, your cholesterol and triglycerides regulated. It will allow you to sleep better, it will allow you to digest better, it will keep your skin better. So ये सब का जो नाम है, this is called as metabolic health parameters. You can check my book The 12-week fitness project to know what it is all about. इसमें पूरा लिखा हुआ है कि अगले 12 वीक्स आपको क्या करना चाहिए. All right, coming back to basics of if you are not going to measure weight loss, मैंने आपको अभी यही बताया that to allow our clients to have better blood sugar, pressure, cholesterol, triglycerides, sleep, and better digestion, we don't weigh them, so we do not use the scales. Then what is it that we use? So today what I want you to do, so that this journey that we will take up together is meaningful, is that I want you to measure 3 things, 3 parameters which will tell you if your lean body weight is going up with the methods that you will learn. 3 things which will tell you if your fat weight is going up with the methods that you will learn, and 3 things which will tell you blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol, digestion, ये सब कुछ कौन से जगह पे है. So the number 1 thing that you have to measure now is waist and hip. So I'll show you later also detail में कि ये कैसा measure करने का है, but this is what you have to do. You take a measure tape, any easy measure tape, and use 3 fingers. ये 3 fingers आप लीजिए, आपका जो navel है उसके top edge पे आप आपका 3 fingers रखिए, and then tape को पूरी सीधी तरीके से उसके around रखिए. And then measure it. If you use your 3 fingers on top of your waist, तो हमारा waist ऐसा on top of your navel, तो हमारा navel ऐसा रहता है गोल. तो 3 fingers जो है वो यहाँ से मत चालू कीजिए, यहाँ से चालू कीजिए. Okay? And then you will get the narrowest part of your waist. So now you check whether you need to use 2 fingers or whether you need to use 3 fingers. That if you put 2 fingers on top, are you reaching the narrowest part of your waist, or if you put 3 fingers on top, you are reaching the narrowest part of your waist. It will depend on your trunk height. But जो भी है उसको आप confirm कीजिए. तो अगर आपने 2 से measure किया तो अगले सारे measurements आप 2 से ही करोगे. अगर आपने 3 से measure किया तो अगले सारे measurements आप 3 से करोगे. All right. So you measure that level and then you measure the hip. Now how do you measure the hip? हिप मेजर करने के लिए यू हैव टू मेजर द ब्रॉडेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर हिप. तो जो भी आपका ब्रॉडेस्ट पार्ट है उधर टेप को रखिए एंड देन मेजर इट. सो यू हैव टू मेजर योर वेस्ट, यू हैव टू मेजर योर हिप एंड राइट दैट मेजरमेंट डाउन फॉर योरसेल्फ. ऑलराइट, नाउ आइडियली what we need is for all women to have a waist under 35. हम लोग जो इतना weight loss के पीछे भागते हैं, but most diseases जो के वजन बढ़ने के वजह से आती है, they can all be prevented if your waist typically, all right, is under 35, and then you also have like a hip which is matching it. So waist to hip ratio करके जो है, that is a better indicator of your fatness and fitness than just your body weight. If you're a woman, this ratio should be between 0.7 to 0.85. मतलब आपका वेस्ट छोटा होना चाहिए आपके हिप्स. And this is for women. And for men, it should be between 0.85 to let's say about 0.95 या 1 max, you know. So that should be your ratio. इस ratio के बीच में, so I think you need to stay, so that way you know that you are in good health. ये हो गया आपका पहला measurement. उसके बाद में we'll look at the second measurement. The second measurement which will tell us how good a shape you are in. And this one I have chosen because most of us are now WFH, and in WFH we are just sitting too much and our backs are getting busted, our posture is going, our digestion is going for a toss, our hamstrings are getting weaker than ever. So I'll tell you how to measure this. Stay. Alright, so what you need is a chair. Get a chair and उसको wall से चिपका दीजिए. Once you have चिपकाउड the chair to the wall, come to the edge of the chair and sit. Okay? Edge पे बैठिए. Don't sit at the back. एकदम आगे आके बैठ जाइए. आगे आके बैठ जाइए और आपके legs को इस तरीके से रखिए up. Okay? Then what you do is that you start going down. Now when you go down towards your thighs, you must remember that your chest should stay up and it should not close down. तो क्या कीजिए कि सामने देखिए, नीचे मत देखिए, सामने देखिए and start taking your hands down. Now wherever you reach, suppose you reach let's say by your ankle, or you reach by your shin, or you reach by your toes, एक scale लीजिए और measure कीजिए कि यहाँ से यहाँ का distance क्या है. So if you are able to touch your toes, the reading is taken as 0. If you are here, then it is taken as minus. तो ये minus जो भी आपका आता है, -5, -7, -10. If you are able to go beyond, then it is taken as plus. So +1, +2. That's how you will measure. समझे आप? You have to sit like this, chest open रख के, बिना background किए, chest open रख के, go down. And then measure the distance. आप कहाँ टच कर पा रहे हो, आपके टोज किधर है. So toes is a 0 reading, उसके पीछे का reading is minus, toes के आगे का reading is plus. Measure that, note that down. And the third thing that you need to measure is your resting heart rate. Resting heart rate मतलब at rest आपके heart को कितना बार contract करना पड़ रहा है ताकि आपके पूरे body को ब्लड सप्लाई और ऑक्सीजन आराम से मिल पाए. हाउ डू यू मेजर RHR? यू मेजर योर रेस्टिंग हार्ट रेट फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग? कि आप सो के उठे हो तो बेड से उठिए मत, स्टे इन योर बेड. और अभी आजकल सबके पास वो ऑक्सीमीटर रहता है, सो कीप दैट ऑक्सीमीटर बाय योर साइड. व्हेन योर आईज ओपन, wear that oximeter on your finger and count backwards from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check क्या फिगर आया आपका. जो भी आपका फिगर आया, you can take that as the average of your resting heart rate. और फिर हर रीडिंग के लिए यही वाला मेथड अडॉप्ट कीजिए so that the error stays constant. कि आपने सुबह का रीडिंग लिया और 10 to 1 backwards count किया. Another way to measure it is lie down on your bed, wake up, and when you wake up, before getting up, you will measure how much is your resting heart rate. तो आप आपके neck पे measure कर सकते हो, आप आपके forehead के around measure कर सकते हो, आप आपके wrist के around measure कर सकते हो, but get these 3 readings. So now today, in comments, later in the day, send us 1, 2, 3. Number 1, waist and hip का ratio. Number 2, your sit and reach ka measurement. Number 3, your resting heart rate, but which you will be able to do only tomorrow morning. So make a note of this, send it. Tomorrow what we are going to do is we are going to meet at the same time and we are going to be discussing what are the foods that you should adopt so that your waist size decreases, so that your sit and reach test improves, so that your resting heart rate comes down, of course over a period of time. And these foods will be applicable for you at least for the next 5 years, because we are talking about successful weight loss, weight which doesn't come back when you lose it, weight which helps you increase lean body weight and decrease fat weight, because उम्र के साथ lean body weight घटता है और fat weight बढ़ता है. The way to beat weight gain is essentially a way to find methods to stay fitter at your age than what you currently are. Alright, now with that big long lecture, I hope you understand all of the basics about weight loss and that I will see you tomorrow. around the same time. So thank you and get back to measuring. Bye bye.